So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the hotspot data usage that each device have been connected to your personal hotspot of your iPhone. You can find the data they have used, the particular device that have been used to your personal hotspot. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, simply go to this option of mobile services. When you scroll down till the last, here you can see in this section of mobile data, you will see all the usage of the internet. And here in this option of personal hotspot, just simply go over there, and here you can see the personal hotspot usage of every particular device. For example, my laptop have been used 39.4 GB of my mobile data, and from here you can find the other devices as well. These all are the MAC addresses of the devices that have been connected to your iPhone's personal hotspot. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.